What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I am going to review the 2002 super hit movie, the comedy movie Success Zero. Im Chung played a very vital role, and as the lead protagonists, they are also very good in that one. And the story is very good because at that time people were very fascinated with American Pie, so they give taken the idea from there. But overall, the story is according to their own genre as the Korean movies are made. So what happens is In Shuk is a guy in a school and he is more into love with In Hoi, the girl. But unfortunately, it is a one-sided love, and during that calf love, he is now grown up and he is going to go for 2 years mandatory military drills, and that's where he exercises. And now after 2 years, he is moved to a national university. So his roommates are also similar to him. They are also having their parallel love life, and that's create more comedy and the situation and error of comedy that happens there, and you will really enjoy it. What it is all about. So Inshuk is once again having feelings for Inhui because she is now national aerobatic athlete, and but it is somehow what happens, the Inhui, the lead protagonist, the girl, she picks the handsome guy Sanguk, and who is from a very family, rich family, and his upbringing is very spoiled. And one night he stays with her, and she get pregnant, and he offers her money that go for abortion. I cannot tolerate all these things, and so she was heartbroken with this kind of advice because she was having true feelings for him, but he wasn't there for her. It's just one night stand. So wants to go for the abortion, but when she reaches the doctor said you have to be accompanied by someone. So once again she is back to Inchik and seeks his help, and he thought maybe today is my date time, so he get ready and goes there. And when he finds out, oh, the situation is totally awkward, she needs me to be there at the doctor, and the situation is like this, and the doctor keep advising all these things that him, and then he could see the pain and suffering that she has to go through, and he was there cooking meal for her, giving her comfort, support, and whatever the best he could do in his capacity without the daydreaming that he was thinking about. It all vanished now because now he has to be practical and help her, because as the doctor said. So she is going for the competition later, and she just get courage from him, and he was supporting her. Okay, whatever you could do, just do it. It will be best to play your part, whatever you can do best, and perform. And after that, she go through again the bleeding and all this post-abortion stuff that she has to go through. And he was also there, and once again he took her to the hospital, supported her. But overall, the first season of this movie went in hopelessness for Inchik and his friends. They are always enjoying their life, but overall their character is worth watchable, and I hope you will really enjoy this movie. And if you wanted to review the second one also, let's check what the second movie is all about, because whosoever I recommended it with my friends circle also, they really enjoy the movie, because most of the Korean dramas and movies, they are more emotional, love and all this, but comedy and especially they have thriller and action movies also better to watch, and you will really enjoy it. And sooner or later, whenever I get time also, I will review one of the best movies that you could really watch, and they are really much appreciated abroad as well. And I hope you will like this, so kindly like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much and have a great week. Bye bye.